In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 2 buttons to the image with text section in Shopify's Dawn theme. This is a great way to enhance your website's design and functionality, allowing visitors to interact more dynamically with your content. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, ensure you are in the Shopify admin dashboard and you've selected the Dawn theme, which is the canvas where we will be working. Navigate to the section where you have your image with text feature. Once there, go ahead and click on the image or the text. As soon as you do, you'll notice a properties panel appearing on the right side of your screen. This panel is where all the magic happens, offering you various customization options. Within this properties panel, there's an option to add buttons. The great thing is, you can add up to 2 buttons in this section, providing versatile pathways for your users to explore more of your site or lead them to important actions. To add both buttons, you'll need to enter a label in each of the text fields provided for the buttons. It's crucial to fill in these labels. If either of these fields is left blank, that specific button will remain hidden. By giving each button a distinct label, you ensure they're visible and ready for your visitors to use. After entering the labels, the next step requires you to edit their links. This means deciding where a click on each button will direct your visitors. You may choose to link to another product page, a particular collection, or perhaps a contact form. The possibilities are endless. This step is all about aligning the button functions with your site's objectives or user journey. Once the links are set, you can adjust the outline style. The design of these buttons can impact the overall aesthetics and usability of your site. Play around with the different styles available to find one that complements your brand identity while ensuring that the buttons are easily distinguishable and accessible to your users. And now, for the finishing touch, once everything looks good and is functioning as you'd like, click the Save button. Saving your changes will update your Shopify store with these modifications, and your new buttons will be live and ready for action. And there you have it. Adding buttons to the image with text section in Shopify's Dawn theme is a simple yet effective way to enhance user interaction on your online store. This completes our walkthrough for today. I hope you found this instructional video helpful and that it encourages you to explore other customization options within Shopify. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!